Hi, this is Dr. Mohammad Awais and you're watching Dr. Square. In this video, we are going to learn how to organize publicly available data from Truth Social into Excel in a structured and research-friendly format. The approach stays within ethical and academic boundaries. You can give citation to the tool that we are going to discuss in your research papers. And you can cite that paper while mentioning this tool of data collection in your paper. The ready-to-copy citation is available in the description of this video. Once you have this data in Excel, you can prepare your material for content analysis, discourse studies, engagement research, or computational work using research tools. And by the way, I am a certified expert and trainer in NVivo and MAXQDA. I also provide one-on-one guidance on social media data analysis using R and Python. So if you want one-on-one session between you and me, feel free to send an email on the email showing at your screen. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. Make sure you are using Mozilla Firefox. If you haven't installed it already, you can get it by visiting a link provided in the description of this video. Download it and install in your computer. Once you install it, you have to have another file which ends with .xpi. You can download this file as well by visiting a link provided in the description of this video. So Mozilla Firefox and this add-on file. Once you have both, open Mozilla Firefox, go to this 3-line button, go to extensions and themes. Go to this setting like button, go to install add-on from file, select that file that you just downloaded. So this add-on is ready to install. Hit add. If you want to pin it to toolbar, select it and hit OK. So this tool has been installed. Now open Truth Social. I have logged in with my original credentials. So you can download whatever you see on your news feed. How to do that? Just open this add-on, turn this Truth Social on, go back to your Truth Social and refresh it. And you will see there are 32 items have been saved. I mean, the things that you see on your newsfeed are already saved somewhere. As you scroll down, new truths will be revealed, right? Will be visible. Like if as you scroll down, you will see new truths. And you will see the increased number of items here as you scroll down, right? So this way you can download your news feed. But what's most important is let's open a profile. So this Fox News. So let's assume you want to download the data that Fox News has posted on their Truth Social profile. For that, open this Fox News page. Go to this add-on. Delete the previous truths that you saved, if any. Go back to this Fox News page. Refresh it. And now you will see an increased number of truths. So 55 truths have already been saved from this profile. As you scroll down, new truths will be visible, right? So as this increased number of items, you can scroll till the end as well. Just to save your time, I will leave this scrolling to you. And I assume you have stopped scrolling at your desired location. So now how to save these items? Download this NDJSON file. So this file has been saved. Now you are just one step away from getting your CSV. Open this web page. I have given the link to this web page in the description. So once you have your NDJSON file, you have to visit this web page and drag and drop your NDJSON file here. And within a moment, you will get your CSV ready. Now let's open it. So you will see the timestamp when the data is collected. What is the source URL. This is when you collected your truth. And this is when the truth is created by the author. You will see the location where the truth was posted from and much more. That brings us to the end of this session. You have now seen how to turn publicly visible data from Truth Social into a structured Excel dataset that is ready for research. If you like it, hit like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.